Hello, let's show you now how transform options are working on my layers. I have select my first layer. First layer is my image because this image don't have background. Background we can see in our composition. Without background. So if I click on this arrow here, I want to show you the transform options. What we can do with this image in this case. So I click again on this. We have few options. So the anchor point. Anchor point is the central point from my image in this case, or from my layer. So here we have the values. If I click and drag like this, you can see what's happening. The position. I'm going like this. The anchor point is in the center. Oh, so we can modify our anchor point. From here, from this. Press Ctrl and Z on keyboard and go back. Now let's show you the other options from Transform. Click on this option. This is the position. Position of my image in my composition. Hold on, click and drag like this. You can see I can change the position. Now if the layer is selected, I hold on, click and just move. I can move everywhere I want. The next is the scale. Click on the scale and we can scale our image layer. Hold on, click on these values. We can scale it bigger or smaller. We can just click here and add value. For example, 200. Now they were bigger. I have here the check box. If I click now here, we can see the values. Scaling like this. Go back and let's see. I click and I write 100%. This is the scale. Now the rotation. Hold on, click and drag like this. We have rotation, or we can add value here, for example, 180. We have rotated my image far. Now the opacity. Is the transparency of my image layer. I add here 50%, for example. I have 50% of transparency. A scrolling eye can zoom it or zoom out. So this is the options, the few options of my layers, and I can do animations. For the anchor point here, I can go to this option, I click on this and I can move the anchor point. I am moving here, for example, I scrolling to zoom. I'm moving this corner now, and let's now go to a rotation and see what's happening. So now rotating from anchor point. Move anchor point in the center. Go to rotate and rotating from center. And also we have this reset. Click and I have all values reseated. Thank you.